yakni benta jongga kubor la OneRasP daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri jongga tanat kakot kakia uba elhek ubalong ru UMLE jongga pentor umkra rangkat kajadan lang jong Director of Health Services Dr. Ewar haga kharwai tarik menta ubanai kirali jingo ia kanong mensong haka baladan kuwai kalong yeng kabakantup yaki arngot sikorim ke balangat aka jingpang COVID khandai kani ke jini jingo jong wahek kalong man pek namar bakadan ke jing iben yakate kalong yeng dagi kattu kan niki briu khamtam kinong snong jong kate ka than bai elhek rengkat ka jing sralang jong kini alam snong ulapan pau ka jing snokhia ka bajur halo ka jing sha pe iben jong kate kalong yeng ba hek ulong ba kamlong ka babha ne ka basngotanat man yui ba kipain ba kipe iben yakate kalong yeng tang namar bakingat ia kani ka jingpang ka ba ka parte hibar ko wi kayo ia kani ka jingpang.
Information that people around somewhere else outside also from here also they have completely stigmatized this house. We don't want to stigmatize. It cannot be discrimination against any human being. That's why we want to give here to motivate them, give them encouragement and inspirations that they should not be stigmatized any family who got the COVID-19. They have followed all the protocol we have come and seen here, and also to send this message to all the people here. They should not be stigmatized. That's all only we have come here, and also to tell all these neighbors also they should not be stigmatized. And also we had seen in the social media there's so many negative news about Normal Song. Any people going for Normal Song, they thought they are all COVID-19 only. So they should not seen like that. Everybody on one day we have to live with COVID-19. It have to be unfolded, one day. That's why we are saying this. It should not be stigmatized. That's all.
Hakajo kapor bahek ulapan pauru ba kamdan setia kan kono ka containment zone ani ka jing khang kerpang yaki katukon iki dong tang namar bakate kalong yeng kangat ia kani ka jingpang. Dr. Ewar pat abekan bakila patai khubor ule thu bakani kalong yeng na po nang mensong kala pentip syaka-syaka nadu bakilawan bat hadin bakilawan lelam yaki ceki jakatas baraka banengkong ukpa bakakmi jokan ke yeng kam simla don kono ki sign lani ka result ka bakilayo kalong negatif ni tat anda hadin lalam ba kurim ulayo nengkong yakan ka jungpang bada dien ka tepat kalong kemi ka di ban khai khlung andara pa ya po negrim hadin balates biang lalam bakaladon yakan ka jungpang COVID khandai.
And this particular case, what happened is that within this 14 days quarantine, they developed symptoms. They informed us, not that they informed us, we had inquired from them. So they were telling that they were having symptoms. That's why we took them to hospital.
Kini ki sarkar kelakat tu yaki pai ba ban ker na ka basngap yaki khubor ka khling ka tengam ka bakom kini ki sngi ka bamenta ban kanturu yaki pai ba banamai kelumar yaki nu ki jing pasai khubor ha ki social media ha ka bedai ba ki brio ki bangat yakani ka jingpang.
We have to punish these people who are spreading the negative message. I'm telling you, this is very wrong. So that's why I'm telling you, we are here today also to motivate this family, to motivate the entire area. They should not be worried. This is a curable disease, and definitely we are here with them. Don't worry.
When we go for contact tracing, once we get any person who is in contact, it doesn't mean that person is positive. Like with the person from Secretariat, the person from NIC, person from HDFC Bank. Now we are asking them to come with us only just to take the sample and to quarantine themselves. It is not that they are already positive. If the test comes out to be positive, then we will inform accordingly, and we will inform all concerned if there are any positive cases that arises in the state. Otherwise, any news from any other quarter, please treat it as a rumor.